Emo akwaba edeba Attention TV eso ye nenim sese kono do kwa benya mpesa so dia na nea oye MP ewo ho no mo ene Adwoa Sarfo na nenim se embre kakremu Adwoa Sarfo ye absent ewo parliament na chese mahwebdwem mahwebdwem committee se wo frɛ no na wabisa denti a wo mba mahwebdwem se wo din hia dia we ane hu se bebreba ya Adwoa Sarfo wa anko Wasanso a friend August bosumu wasanso a friend July bosumu wasanso amba nene watwe letter titinte e de akọ the office of president ai ne de letter ne de wo chire pa de ye beko ne akotie na so honorable bako eso de nsama beto abonte a wo chima chire se hwe ana Adwoa Sarfo a amfre ne ho MP kura mpoda fi se enyoma wo ye ni na echi no ne saso anase suban na oji ne dikrado anase nyoma waye pa ne de on se emfata pose we kra be friend no MP ana de honorable kra ebe ka ne de ho yenko ne yenkotie emu nkyeremu ye emrasia
Adwoa Sarfo yasise se de wayiniti wo ya wanyane o se we de homecoming pa no oye no okoy waba bia okohye ye bia fe de breda so waba na ensam no de odi abetutu dwa no kire se obi enim de opeso kire odi krata akoma mampani ada nase se opa no ma no ebesom ye ewo na ban mu the first time opa no ma no be ye minister procurement and the second time opa no ma no be minister gender ni nyina em no so aboa no papa na ebraso nso ayaje ne tumi afiri ne nsam no nso ono nso so otiase ofise dwuma nsa ne ye no no se de ya ye no kraba ma no kwan ma fedi ye watumi asom ne constituents ewo domi kwabenya
oso okosom ya
dom kwabenyafo
hwan ne ka se
Adwoa Sarfo enti wonu se dom kwabenyafo mu hia MP Adwoa Sarfo ni se dom kwabenyafo no o mu hia MP ana ogya omumu a chese obi afre no kra omfa ba ma hunu se ona bo se chairman sa bonsu se Adwoa Sarfo ontumi mfre no so ye MP ma on frefre no kra so ye MP because some de mu hunu so ye MP sisi nti eno nso no ensem bebre
as I say ayi mohwe na kwam jesi am jesi so ha dream anti munya na yemfelo ya and apia kubi me kasa krata Adwoa Sarfo the course the president office of the president Jubilee House Accra dear say revocation of Honorable Sarah Adwoa Sarfo's appointment. I acknowledge your letter dated 28 July 2022 and would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity to serve as Minister for Gender, Children and Social Protection. On Friday, 29 July 2022, I handed over all official assets to the administrator of the ministry. It is with profound gratitude that I express my utmost appreciation to you for the opportunity to serve as minister in both terms of your government. Jesse Fabra. Hanti Adwoa Sarfo krata no e be kinkan but mama nyana kwame wosi osesan
odo mampani ase se wamana abeye adwuma the first time no ye minister procurement
no a minister in charge of procurement no sanso a deputy majority leader
and the second term so ye gender children and social protection nti wayade na se kra no de obenya kwan no asom dom kwabenyafo
say metime kinkan the first paragraph of my statement no nti behwe na yakan the yakan me hwese metime dia to say it was say it was an honor to serve at this all-important ministry, albeit for a short period of time. During the period, we put in place enough mechanisms to ensure a harmonious society where the survival and development of women, children, and persons with disability, as well as other vulnerable persons in our society, can be guaranteed in line with your vision to transform the social protection framework into a robust and more responsive one. I am exceedingly grateful for your understanding, compassion, and unending devotion throughout this past year, especially during a very difficult period for me where I have to be away from office. Your kind support has been very much welcome, and for that I remain eternally grateful. And a last paragraph, or say cognizant of my duties to the 75,000 constituents who elected me. This development is opportunity and will afford me more time to concentrate on my parliamentary responsibilities and constituency engagement, as well as consolidate the gains we have made as a government at the constituency level in our quest to break the 8. I mean, for Hobium, or say, cognizance to my duties to the 75,000 constituents who elected me. This development is opportunity and will afford me more time to concentrate on my parliamentary responsibilities and constituents engagement, as well as consolidate the gains we have made as a government at the constituency level in our quest to break the 8. Signed, Honorable Sarah Adwoa Sarfo, MP, Mrs. CC, Vice President, CC, the President, Jubilee House, Chief of Staff, and all that.
Seven.
Wobri Yabua. Martin. Nyankopon edi acheme me ho ye. Na Mame Sarah Adwoa Sarfo ne ho te sen.
Alapo yente boni bia dem te no be.
Ere Nyankopon ase. Mame Obiri Yabua, David Obiri Yabua, a former constituency youth organizer for Dom Kwabenya and a close ally to Honorable Sarah Adwoa Sarfo. Pacho krata making ken. Honorable Sarah Adwoa Sarfo that ne Sasha se sign the Babontin.
The pacho we ono.
Na pacho oko anogusu ogana ha sei.
The pacho ni Ghana.
Oko back.
Pacho ai.
Okay. Krata ne ken no or da mampani ase. Obebi say yayi na di adenti na sedai.
Oh. I say unya mami chega na pala mami chega do ko bena ko na. Ne tene say president na a man no sa kwenya no. Otro buko kan no say the first term o man na kwenya be minister. Second term o man na kwenya be minister. E tene say na woni wonu ma na so do na wo appreciate na me. Obi na ne so ade na oh yes we are the audacity. Oh, I can't know the man obey minister.
All right. I no quite so no say obeda mampani ase. Na oba ye parliament oni o madi nkomo.
Why on one engagement here and there. Na me adma the next parliament to be hu.
But I will say
they say on one independent engagement was just speaker that few people. And you know, the next parliament will be on there.
I am Mame Sarah Adwoa Sarfo.
Pepe.
Na oba ye obete say na parliament for hwe no ana.
Say na say oba ye on speaker edinkomo.
Sir. Because me hunu ade bia ya tro say honorable majority leader say Adwoa Sarfo shouldn't hold himself as MP. And so say Onimpenifo din komodia na ehemi na kakra so no leader say
na ebusiafo honorable Osechei Mensa Bonsu ana de nsem betu dwasa wo chima kira pekra na Adwoa Sarfo anyina bebi ankire se ono kra ene Dome Kwabenya mpeso aso MP na letter na wode so ekochiro ekoma the president, the office of presidency no ana yakotie mu so ede abano ha attention TV so e ma moni hwa monity